every writing assignment in English 101 includes a draft stage, and as you're writing the draft, you should be checking the checklist for that unit. So open up the checklist and take a look at the items on it. Well, I've already checked a couple of these. Each checklist is divided into 3 major parts: before you write the draft, after you've written the draft, and there's an APA check. So make sure that you are doing the things you need to do before you start writing. If you need to review some of the material, there are links that you can click right from the checklist to go back and refresh or review any materials that you aren't super familiar with before you start writing. Same thing after you have a draft written. If you have a draft written and then you get to the thesis statement check and you're like, I don't know if this is a great thesis statement, there are some resources built into the checklist that can help you to strengthen those parts of your essays that tend to be common problems for students. Make sure that you are including all of the elements that you need. It even has a length check and a reminder to visit the Writing Center if you need help proofreading your draft. Finally, the APA check includes some resources for the various parts of APA: your title page, your citations, your references, and your font and spacing guidelines. So you can make sure that you're meeting those guidelines, and then you can note if you need to email your instructor with any questions or concerns that you have. So it's a fairly quick process in and of itself, but it's built into the draft writing process. Some of these items should be checked off before, some of them during, some of them after. But it's a great resource to use to make sure that your essay is meeting all of the assignment guidelines.